Hey, sir. How you doing?
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Get off my porch.
Okay. I don't know where you're talking from.
Get off my porch.
All right, well,
I'm calling the cops right now. You better return exactly what you have because I'm coming. You better put it down because I got you on camera. You better bring it back.
Don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations. So you won't have to be like this guy chasing down pirates for your stuff.
Hey, sir. How you doing?
Hi, we'll be right there.
Check this guy out. This one is pretty strange. He trying to cut some grass at 3 a.m. or trying to solicit some business. It's pretty weird.
How can I help you?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
Who you looking for?
I'm just trying to see if I could give you my service, put in your yard, ma'am.
No,
Just
you
curious
have the
for.
wrong door, and it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Please move from my property.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Thank
I'm just
you.
trying to.
Thank you.
For sure.
Not at 3 in the morning. What shit is that?
Morning.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Cut my yard. How you cut my yard? Yeah. Get the fuck out of here.
There's another guy behind them around the way.
Probably, yeah.
Oh, hey, excuse me. I got a little bit of water in this water bottle. I'm so sorry to bother y'all.
Debe, ¿qué quieres?
This lady really gets pissed about this guy using the bathroom in her yard. I couldn't include everything she said.
Absolutely fucking not. Get up. I'm calling the cops. Get the fuck away from my fence.
This guy steals a package and is on his way to another. Good thing this ring cam owner was paying attention.
Back up, and put that package back.
This one's pretty disgusting, guys. I'm pretty sure you can figure out what he's doing. He was at the door knocking and trying to open it up while he was doing those motions. I'm sorry, I couldn't figure out what location this came from. If you're home, please don't ignore your packages because somebody else will come by and take it.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Can I help you?
Can I help you? Can I help you? Are you okay?
¡Ladrón sin vergüenza!
Don't forget to lock up those bikes and scooters this summer. These porch pirates are grabbing anything. Not sure what this guy's trying to do with this tarp, but he's definitely not the visitor we want. Please don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, try not to leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle, just in case. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please keep those doors locked and stay safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.
Get the fuck up!
2025, let's practice not keeping expensive items outside, please. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.